Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Key to All Things, and I'm Key. I'm coming to y'all today for just like a real small, short, I guess unpacking of some hair that I bought today from my local beauty supply store. I wanted to do like a quick weave, a nice quick weave, because I'm too lazy to sew in my hair. Like, I can do it, but I have so much stuff going on with life right now. I'm currently in the process of moving, and just trying to get all kind of stuff together. And just this hair of mine, I'm tired of playing in it right now. So I'm gonna do me a little quick weave with a closure that I have, but the closure and the bundles are two totally different brands. My bundles are by Onyx. I got the length. I opened one because I had to see what it felt like. I got the lengths 12, 14, 16. This is the 16. This is the 12. This is the 14. It comes on this little thing, and it's just like, it comes like, I don't know, they had it somehow secured on this like this or whatever. But they were actually running a sale. They were running a sale for May, and I paid for the 12, 14, 16. I want to say I paid $49.99. Probably $49.99. Yeah, I paid $49.99. And I think the original price had to be like 100 and something bucks, which for beauty supply store I wouldn't spend it because it's beauty supply store hair. But some beauty supply store hairs are really good, really decent. Like, one of my favorites have to be I'd say the Milky Way Q. It's one of my favorite beauty supply stores. I grew up using that. Like, I grew up using it, and still till this day I'll use it. But I just wanted to try something that I can bleach if I wanted to or whatever. But so this is a 16. It's called Original Remi Onyx, 100% virgin Brazilian Remi, 100% human hair. The quality is 7A. It says you can bleach, dye, perm, and the texture is body wave, and the color is natural. Can y'all? And it's real light, it's real soft. All three bundles are 95 grams. Me, I'm the type of person who would rather a natural weave than to have like some real heavy, real long, real thick. Of course I want it to be thick, but also I want it to be natural. So these are perfect for me. And this is how the back of it looks. And of course it says bleach, dye, perm. It also says bleach in just 3 minutes. I don't know, 3 minutes. I'm probably not gonna bleach them, but I did buy some jet black hair color to put on my bundles. That's pretty much it for now. So probably in a little while I'm gonna take and braid down my hair. I'm gonna use this color cap because I have a closure that I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna braid down my hair. I'm gonna take and use the Got to Be Glued to secure this around here, set my closure, glue in my quick weave, and then I'll probably be back. I'd like to show y'all the process, but because I'm just the type of person to like start and then stop. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, oh my god, somebody's knocking at the door, oh my god, I need to go to the store because I forgot something. That's me. I'm that person. So I would not try and record myself to even like show y'all me doing my hair, because y'all will get aggravated. Where she went at? Why she keep moving? Why the video keep stopping? Why I keep pausing? So After I get it all in, I'll get y'all another review on how I put it in my head, the wefts, things like that. I'm probably going to, I don't know, I'm probably gonna do my wefts. I might. And I do it with this stuff called fray check. I have a picture after the video of the picture of the fray check. But for now, I'm going. Like, subscribe, leave comments, ask questions. I give y'all all the questions y'all want to know. But for now, toodaloo.